All right, so again, if I wanted lights in my pond, I could pull off of 110 or 220, but because most of the stuff around here is solar as it is and it works just fine at night, I decided why not get these waterproof lights, okay, and this solar panel, and then just use solar lights. I mean, I could create, pull off 220 or 110, but it just creates too much switches when I can do everything with solar. So let's go ahead and give this a try, set it up now, and we'll see how it looks tonight. All right, so I'm gonna put it together here. Let's see how this goes right there. I'll just put it in the ground, let it get some direct sunlight right now before I really tweak it. And then, I'll just, I'll just put these right here in the meantime, and then tonight, if they work, I'll put them in the water. So let's let that solar panel get all that direct sun and see how it looks. All right, so now it's time to come out here and try out these lights. Let's see how they turned out. All right, so as you can see, the lights work. And I have a couple different solar lights around this pond here. But also, one of the things I really like about this is it has a mode. So you can see I can change the colors. So that's pretty cool. And then it's also, if I want to turn it off, bam, and if I want to turn it on. So that's good. I really recommend this product here. It was really easy to use. It was plug and play, nothing too complicated. I mean, you don't need to do anything but just basically let the solar panel go out into the ground, collect some sunlight, and then bam, put those little lights in the water and it works.